Hello Papercrafts friends. I'm back. I've been on hiatus for a while, but I have something new. I recently bought a new action figure and took inspiration from it to make a barbarian action figure. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
This is the box art. Quite striking, is it not? The interior is also as beautiful, and the back trays are filled with weapons, such as his swords and the spiked ball and chain. The side of the box shows Savage Crucible, the name of the toy line. The back of the box gives us a short description of the world behind Savage Crucible and how all worlds were forged from the crucible itself. Here he is, the warrior with ball and chain. Looks quite savage, doesn't he? Especially with his fur cloak. Articulation is on par with other brands, so I won't get into too much detail. It's all there, what you would expect from a barbarian action figure. Didn't want to buy the whole line, but I felt bad seeing him all alone, so I made my very own barbarian figure to keep him company. I call my barbarian Magmar, warrior blacksmith of Clan Magdurgan. He forged the gigantic sword he is holding. I made him articulated enough to get into some epic barbaric poses. The helmet is made from the same black metal as his sword. His head is basic, a craggy, savage face with black hair. Let's have a look at how Magmar was put together. As usual, his entire body was made using paper mache and painted with acrylic. His skin tone is a deep tan, and his clothes made from foam paper to simulate leather. His body is connected together using paper tubes that also provide his articulation by using basic lever and rotation principles. Magmar now stand complete. He cuts an imposing figure, doesn't he? Magmar can get into most basic poses. I could have made him more articulated, but for now it will suffice. That's all for now. See you all later, and we'll take a look at my rendition of Samurai Jack.